Here's video 2, no, video 3. There's the 1480 going down the rows. This is one of their friends' combines. His name's Doug. He owns about 10 combines. This is just one of them. Most of them are Massey Ferguson's, but they're really old. This one's a 1982 International 1480. It's a good little combine. That's a cool combine. It's I want one of those. It's got a Cummins inline 8 engine in it. It's really nice. Yeah, we got one grain truck sitting over there. You can see it. And then one sitting next to the house. My cousin got his the hay truck stuck today in the mud. We had to pull that out with a loader. I had to load bales today too. And now my other cousin, my dad's cousin, my great cousin, that's who lives out here, and my uncle, my great uncle, and then he's my great cousin's baling right now because my uncle just finished hay raking. So, there's another video. Alright, thank you for watching.